Good day, sir. Today we are proud to present our project entitled Smart EcoDesk System, also known as SED, with the goal of transforming classrooms into intelligent and sustainable learning spaces.
Um, Good evening, sir. The Smart EcoDesk system is an innovative classroom furniture solution designed to address common problems in schools by integrating smart technology, sustainability, and student-centered design. As shown in the image, the desk features an intelligent energy-saving mode and a built-in organization system, helping students stay organized while reducing unnecessary energy consumption.
Despite modern advancements, many classrooms today still face serious challenges. First, high maintenance costs. Schools often struggle with frequent desk damage and lack proper system for tracking desk usage and repairs. Second, energy wastage in classroom. Lights, fans, and devices are often left on even when they are not needed, leading to higher electricity costs. Third, unorganized learning spaces, cluttered desks affect students' focus, productivity, and disciplines. Fourth, poor indoor air quality indicate ventilation affects students' health comforts and concentrations. And lastly, there is a lack of real-time classroom data. Schools often do not have system to monitor attendance, desk usage, or learning activity effectively.
To address these problems, we propose the Smart EcoDesk system. First, the intelligent and energy-saving mode. Sensors automatically adjust lighting or fan usage when a student leaves their desk, reducing unnecessary power consumption. Second, the built-in organization system. The desk includes smart compartments with LED indicators that guide students and promote a clean desk habit. Third, smart attendance and activity tracking. Using pressure or RFID sensors, the desk can automatically record attendance and learning activity. Fourth, air quality monitoring. Each desk monitors CO levels, temperature, and humidity and sends alert when proper ventilation is needed. Lastly, self-monitoring maintenance. The desk can report issues such as loose screws or broken components direct maintenance staff.
The Smart Desk ecosystem offers multiple benefits. It promotes cleanliness and order, helping students maintain discipline and focus. It improves energy efficiency by automating desk-related power usage. It provides cost saving by lowering maintenance expenses and extending furniture lifespan. It delivers data-driven insight for teachers and administrators through classroom analytics. And most importantly, it supports student well-being by maintaining a healthy and comfortable learning environment.
Alignment with Sustainable Development Goals. Our project supports several United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. These include quality education, affordable and clean energy, industrial innovation and infrastructure, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, and climate action. Through SED, we aim to contribute to both educational improvement and environmental sustainability.
The Smart EcoDesk system follows a diversified revenue model. 40% comes from hardware sales, 30% from monthly subscriptions, 20% from maintenance and repair services, and 10% from data insights and analytics. This model ensures sustainability and long-term scalability of the project.
To successfully implement the Smart EcoDesk system, we plan to collaborate with key partners. This includes school and universities for pilot testings, local governments units to smart campus initiatives, technology and LOT companies for sensors, integration, furniture manufacturers, and environmental and educational NGOs for advocacy and funding supports.
Lastly, the smart ecodesk system is more than just a desk. It is a smart, sustainable, and data-driven solution designed to improve learning environments, reduce costs, and support both student and institution. By integrating technology with education and sustainability, SED represent a step forward towards smarter classrooms and a greener future.
That's all. Thank you.